Welcome to a journey of transformation through the healing my broken heart, one day at a time. These affirmations hold the incredible power to reshape our mindset and reality. By embracing these words daily, we can create new paths in our minds, fostering lasting positive changes. Incorporate this practice into your routine for 21 days and witness the evolution. Let's begin by centering ourselves. Breathe deeply, allowing relaxation to envelop your body. Acknowledge your worthiness of love, joy, and success that the universe presents. Today, I begin the journey of healing my broken heart. I acknowledge my pain, and I am strong enough to heal. Each morning is a step towards mending my heart. I release the past and embrace the healing process. I am resilient, and my heart is on the path to recovery. I grant myself permission to grieve and heal. My heartache doesn't define me, my strength does. I am open to the possibility of love and joy in the future. Healing is a daily practice, and I am committed to it. I am deserving of a happy and whole heart. I choose to focus on self-care and self-compassion. I release the pain of yesterday, and I welcome a brighter today. Healing is a journey, and I am on the right path. I am capable of loving and healing myself. Each morning, I wake up with a heart filled with hope. I am open to the beauty of life, even amidst heartache. I am resilient, and I rise above my brokenness. I am healing, one small step at a time. My heart is a work in progress, and that's okay. I am open to the lessons that come with healing. I embrace the power of self-forgiveness. I am surrounded by love and support on my healing journey. My heart is on the mend, and I am patient with myself. Healing is a gift I give to myself each day. I am strong, and my heart grows stronger with each sunrise. I release the weight of my past, and I step into a lighter future. I am open to new beginnings and fresh opportunities. Healing is a testament to my inner strength. I am resilient, and I bounce back from adversity. I am healing, and I am proud of my progress. I choose self-love and self-compassion in my healing journey. Each morning, I wake up with a heart full of courage. I am open to the blessings that come with healing. My heart is a masterpiece in progress. I am resilient, and I embrace the process of healing. I release the pain of the past, making room for a brighter future. I am healing, and each day brings me closer to wholeness. I am deserving of love, happiness, and a mended heart. Healing is my daily affirmation. I am open to the beauty of life's unfolding journey. I embrace self-care and self-acceptance in my healing process. My heart is on the mend, and I trust in the timing of my healing. I am strong, and I am healing my heart with love. I release the pain of the past, making room for new possibilities. I am resilient, and I face each day with grace and strength. I am open to the joy that comes with healing. I am healing, and I am proud of my resilience. My heart is healing, and I am taking it one day at a time. Healing is my journey, and I am on the right path. I am open to the love and healing that each day brings. Repeat these affirmations daily and embrace the transformation they bring. Own your power to shape reality and stride boldly toward dreams.